Good morning, everyone. Myself, Pooja Naik. The title of my research paper is The Use of Solid Waste in Making Eco Friendly Bricks. This research work is done under the guidance of Professor Vaibhav Shirodkar sir. Then next comes abstract. This experiment was carried out to determine the compressive strength test on bricks by placing sample brick in universal testing machine. This paper is concerned to reuse and recycle the available solid waste generated from paint industry. The main aim to study this experiment was to increase the compressive strength with the decrease in cement content. Dumping and landfilling of solid waste lead to environmental degradation. The utilization of solid waste has become more potential to recycle the valuable material and decrease the volume of solid waste, other pollutants, and dumping cost. The increased quest for sustainable and eco friendly material in construction works. Then comes introduction. The present work discusses about the new innovation preparing bricks from solid waste and tested against fire and other strength properties. Various concentration in the environment may lead to degradation of prevailing atmosphere. Due to more improvement in using sustainable, low cost, eco friendly lightweight construction material in civil works has been emphasized to investigate has the growing need to improve the quality of environment and to maintain the material requirement as per standard. Large amount of solid material are produced around the globe. According to the World Bank statistics proposed globally on solid waste management sector, the global cities are presently producing about 1.3 billion tons of solid waste every year and it keeps recurring. This volume is expected to reach the peak nearly to 2.2 billion tons by the year 2025 and the waste trust accumulation rate is assumed to twice over the next 2 decades. Eco-friendly waste recycling has proved one of the best management to reduce and recycle the waste in the research field. This management of solid waste reduces the negative impact of their disposal. Then, the material used. First one, solid waste paint or paint remnants. These are toxic but unwanted waste. This viscous slurry can be classified as a hazardous waste. Therefore, if this waste is disposed randomly on the surface, it might lead to degradation of soil fertility. Hence, it is toxic to agricultural land and it may even cause damage to flora and fauna of that ecosystem where the waste discharges. Second, cement. Cement is commonly used in binding sand and gravel together. Cement grade manufactured for construction work are generally not organic in nature, usually lime or calcium silicate based compound. As you can see, the table number 1 shows the physical characteristics of cement. These are the various tests we conducted in our laboratory and we have various test results as shown below. Third, RoboSand. It is produced in stone quarries. RoboSand is as a substitute to natural sand. The main advantage of RoboSand are cubical dimensional, proper gradation, and lack of impurities. Fourth, fly ash. In preparation of bricks, the use of fly ash gives enough strength and decreases water. The strength of brick prepared from fly ash is highly comparatively to conventional bricks. Fifth, water. Potable water was used, which is generally available in a college. Water used for these operations should be free from suspended and other impurities. pH of water should be maintained within standard limit as prescribed by IS 456 2000. Sixth, bricks. Brick is a constructional building block utilized to make walls, pavements, and other elements of masonry construction. Bricks are classified based on its classes, types, material, and size, which vary along with region and time period and produced in large quantities. Then comes methodology. Mixed proportion of brick. The mixed proportion used for this experiment is has in this picture: cement 30% for sample 1, for sample 2 30%, for sample 3 30%. Industrial waste sample 1 20%, sample 2 25%, sample 3 30%. Fly ash sample 1 20%, sample 2 20%, sample 3 20%. Query sand sample 1 30%, sample 2 25%, sample 3 20%. Process of manufacturing of bricks. In manufacturing the bricks, there are four different operations involved, which are listed below: 1. Batching, 2. Mixing, 3. Molding, 4. Drying. 1. Batching. The ingredients are accurate and precise measurement of materials for making cement is known as batching. 2. Mixing. The materials used are paint solid waste, robosand, fly ash, and cement to get a uniform color, and then water is added to it to get good uniform color. Third, molding. The molding is placed on ground and the standard size of brick mold is 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. 4. Drying. Drying is done to avoid crack or crumble while holding and carrying any in constructional phase. Drying is done in two ways: 1. Artificial drying, 2. Natural drying. 1. Artificial drying. Bricks are burned at optimum temperature at about 1200 degrees Celsius in a tunnel like structure where the temperature is maintained. Natural drying. It is done by exposing the bricks to air circulation, generally provided the direct sunlight. Strength on harder concrete. Compressive strength of concrete. Universal testing machine was used for this test. Compressive strength formula is as shown in the picture, where F is equals to compressive strength of specimen in Newton per mm square, L is equals to load in Newton, A is equals to cross sectional area in mm per square. Crushing strength determined by placing the sample brick in a UTM and performing a compression test. After placing brick in UTM, gradual load is applied until the sample brick breaks. Then the value of failure load are noted down and compressive strength is calculated. Result and discussion. The test was conducted for three different samples with different mix proportion. The value were noted down and then the graph was plotted. For each three sample, the graph are plotted as shown in these pictures. Conclusion. The minimum crushing strength of brick is calculated to be 3.50 Newton per mm square. Compared to normal brick, paint sludge brick is light in weight and transportation will be easy. Bricks which are made from paint waste is found to have compressive strength greater than the conventional brick. Reference. These are the reference which are used for this research paper. Thank you.